Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another video of Im here. As you can see, not in a really good mood for obvious reasons. Israel has continued its illegal ethnic cleansing of Palestine, has been bombing and killing over 130 Palestinians, and of them many are children. Anyways, we have to continue our assignment. As you know, this is my assignment for a course in my university, so you have to read 10 videos. Anyways, in today's video I'll be talking about the importance of a to-do list. Firstly, a to-do list does not forget, unlike the human brain. As we all know, there are times when we have things to do and we simply forget them. But if you have a proper to-do list prepared, the chances are you will not forget or miss out on doing a particular thing which you made note of earlier. Secondly, a to-do list will help you set priorities. It is important you make the to-do list first, but after that it is really important to prioritize and decide which task you want to do at first, and then which task is the least important and which can be done later. So prioritizing is key. Thirdly, a to-do list tracks your progress. Using a to-do list enables you to mark off the tasks that you've completed. At the end of the day, when you have a list with you and you look at them, and if you have done certain things, that will give you a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. It might also have the effect of waking you up early the next day if nothing has been marked completed. Fourthly, it reduces anxiety. Trust me, I have been, alhamdulillah, able to cut down on my anxiety, as whenever I have an incomplete task and it randomly pops up in my head, if I have a proper to-do list with me, I'll not be anxious anymore, because I know in my mind that I have a plan to complete that action. And having this to-do list really helped me and a lot of other people manage their anxiety and stress levels. Finally, the most important benefit I think of having a to-do list is better time management. If you have a proper to-do list and you made it by prioritizing the most important things first and then keeping the least important things at the bottom, trust me, you will have a lot of time to do other stuff over the weekend or anything. Also, keep in your notes that if you can have a to-do list for both your professional life as well as your personal life, you're going to kill it, man. Trust me. Anyways, that's it for today. My camera is dropping. Jazakallah khair. Make dua for our people in Palestine, in Kashmir, in Uyghur, everywhere around the world who are suffering injustice. May Allah make it easy for all of them. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.